예, 쌤팍입니다. 이번 시간에는 우리가 그 500문장 암기 도전 있죠. 그것에 대해서 좀 설명드리려고 해요. 여러분 이 방송 기억하시죠? 2012년도 KBS 다큐멘터리로 나왔던 건데 제가 이거 자꾸 소개하는 이유는 이분들이 지적하는 게 맞기 때문에 그래요. 그분들의 지적이 뭐였어요? 결론은 영어는 지식으로만 되는 게 아니라는 거예요. 지식이 필요해요. 영문법 필요하고 단어 암기하는 거 다 필요한데 영어가 진짜 잘 되게 하려면 영어를 배울 때 우리가 수영을 배울 때 쓰는 방법이 있죠. 수영의 이론도 있습니다. 또 자전거 타는 것도 이론이 있어요. 근데 그것만 갖고 안 된단 말이에요. 뭐를 해야 돼? 연습을 해야 돼, 연습. 매일 영어도 수영이나 자전거 배울 때처럼 실제로 몸에 부딪혀서 매일같이 연습을 해야 된다는 거예요. 그럼 연습을 하면 뭐가 생겨요? 매일같이 연습하면 뭐가 생겨요? 습관화가 생겨요, 습관. 습관이 되기 때문에 몸이 저절로 반응을 하게 되는 거예요. 그러니까 저는 이렇게 말씀드려요. 우리가 영어를 진짜 못하는 이유가 뭐니? 미국에서 태어나지 않았기 때문에 못한다는 거예요. 그래서 아직 뭐가 뭐안 됐어? 영어가 습관화가 되지 않은 거예요. 그러면 어떤 분일까요? 무슨 소리 하느냐? 우리가 초등학교 3학년 때부터 뭐 중고등학교 쭉 해갖고 대학교 4년까지도 영어를 붙잡고 있잖아요. 그게 몇 년이에요 도대체? 중학교 때부터 하면 이게 10년인가? 그 13년. 어떤 애들은 초등학교 이전부터 또 뭐 시키잖아요. 한 13년, 15년을 영어를 붙잡고 있는데 뭐가 안 되는 거야? 습관화가 안 되는 거예요. 그래서 그 이유를 봤더니 우리가 이 십 몇 년 동안 하는 게 주로 영어 시험을 위한 그런 공부를 했다는 거예요. 그러니까 우리 시험 많이 보잖아요. 근데 여러분 시험 공부 되게 열심히 하죠. 그러고 나서 그 시험이 끝나면은 영어 공부해요? 안 해요. 시험 공부 많이 하죠? 끝나? 안 해. 시험 공부를 많이 하죠? 해? 안 해. 그게 뭐가 이루어질 수가 없는 거예요. 습관화가 되지를 못했죠. 그런 측면이 있어요. 그러고 나서 이제 회사에 들어가거나 실무를 이제 접한단 말이에요. 이제 부장이 와서 야 너 다음 주일에 그 영어 프레젠테이션 네가 해. 이제 그러면서 발등에 불이 떨어지는 거예요. 그럼 막 또 그거 그냥 프레젠테이션 연습하고 영어 의사소통에 관한 거를 또 공부한단 말이에요. 시간을 많이 들이는 거죠. 이런 거를 통해서 우리는 많은 시간을 낭비하고 있다고 봐요. 저는. 그래서 야 영어 의사소통도 되고 시험도 되고 그런 방법이 없을까? 그런 생각을 했어요. 많이 생각을 했습니다. 그 답은 있다는 거예요. 그래서 이제 이런 방법을 한번 해보시라. 뭐 하는 사람이 다 사람마다 다 다르기 때문에 저는 자신 있게 이렇게 말씀드려도 어떤 분은 또 안 맞을 수도 있어요. 그건 뭐 제가 인정을 합니다. 근데 이런 거를 하는 거는 기초 용어는 아니에요. 무슨 여러분이 외국인과 무슨 뭐 길을 물어봤는데 대답을 했다 뭐 어쩌 이거는 제가 볼 때는 이 방법을 쓰실 필요가 없어요. 이건 그냥 보통 몇 시간 한두 달 하시면 되는 거고 그걸 넘어서 대학을 들어가기 위해서 수능 같은 거 그 다음에 그 토익 시험 있죠. 토익 LC, RC도 있을 분들은 토익 스피킹도 있어요 요즘에. 또 9급 공무원 뭐 아이엘츠 뭐 탭스 토플 이렇게 수준급 혹은 수준급 영어를 준비하시는 분들이 있죠. 일반적인 회화는 되는데 내가 프레젠테이션이나 뭐 외국인들과 좀 수준급 있는 그런 영어를 하고 싶다. 업그레이드를 시키고 싶은 분들에게 해당하는 그런 말이 되겠어요. 그런 분들은 그 여러분이 시험 문제를 준비할 때 주로 기출 문제를 많이 풀거든요. 그거 당연히 하셔야 돼요. 근데 그거 이전에 먼저 여기서 얘기하는 500개 정도의 문장을 암기를 하시란 말이에요. 이게 암기를 왜 하냐면은 영어는 습관화 돼야 된다고 앞에서 얘기했죠. 근데 그 암기가 되면은 습관화가 빨리 돼요. 독해하는 거 여러분 습관이에요. 문장을 보자마자 독해가 돼야 돼요. 영작하는 것도 마찬가지. 말하기, 듣기. 문법도 여러분이 분석하는 거, 문장을 분석하는 것이 습관화가 돼야 돼요. 여러분이 노력하지 않아도 저절로 나올 수 있을 정도로 하는데 그러한 것을 습관화시키는데 효과적인 게 뭐냐면 문장을 암기하는 거란 말이에요. 암기하고 나서 이거를 공부하면 그게 쉽게 습관화가 된다는 거죠. 근데 그 암기가 쉬워요? 쉽지 않아요. 제가 인정을 합니다. 어떤 분 그러래. 야, 500문장? 100문장 기억하는 것도 죽겠는데 500문장? 이것들 뭐 꼼수 쓰는 거 아니야? 이렇게 말씀하시는 분도 있어요. 그래서 제가 이제 우리 학생들을 이제 숙제를 해온 학생들을 소개하는데 안대를 끼고 암기를 하라 그랬어요. 이거 다 500문장 하는 겁니다. 시간 얼마나 걸려? 1시간 반 걸려요. 그래서 암기를 했다고 이게 끝나는 건 아니에요. 암기를 했으면 그 다음에 다시 여러분이 그 암기된 문장을 독해를 하고 영작, 말하기, 듣기, 문법의 습관화를 완벽하게 해야 돼요. 그래야만 여러분의 의사소통이 되게 되는 거죠. 그래서 이 500문장이 머릿속에 들어왔을 때 걔네들이 나와서 의사소통이 되는 거거든요. 머릿속에 든 게 없어요. 문장이 들어간 게 없어요. 그러면 나올까 안 나올까? 나오지 않죠. 제가 이걸 사실 다른 비디오를 이틀 전에 만들었는데 서론을 너무 길게 했다는 거예요. 그래서 아 그렇구나. 학생들은 이게 진짜 이게 500문장을 하나? 이걸 보고 싶은데 그래서 제가 이번에 한 5분 정도로 인트로덕션을 줄이고 선혜 씨가 하는 거를 보여드릴 거예요. 그래서 혹시 선혜 씨를 아시는 분 응원해 주세요. 정말 열심히 잘했고요. 또 이런 걸 보고 여러분이 도전을 좀 해보세요. 선혜 씨가 하면 여러분도 분명히 하실 수 있을 거예요. 오케이? 그래서 다음은 선혜 씨의 동영상을 소개하겠습니다.
Time cures all. John was never content with his day-to-day life and always yearned to live a different life than what he saw around him. John needs to craft a strategic plan soon. John is a very informed individual and has an awareness of a lot of things going on in the world. Her manager found the procedure too complicated to understand. As we had implied earlier, we are here organization to announce our decision. I'm somewhat surprised, as I never expected you to hang around a place like this. You guys might disagree with me, but time is a pain in the neck, and I can tolerate it. First and foremost, I found it difficult throughout to save money for this purpose. I was very interested in the project, but basically speaking, I couldn't get down to the nitty-gritty. Look before you leap. Yesterday, my new car broke down as I pulled up to the intersection of the BGC3 in Seoul during peak rush hour traffic. I'm upset because it turned out that the car I bought the other day was a real lemon. The quiet old lady is sitting duck for the salesman because she is new in town. This man must have been naive or very stupid because he bought a car that wouldn't even start. It is fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to learn the lesson of failure. I am curious about how someone could have done something so awful and got away with it without being penalized. He may truly look sloppy to you, but do not underestimate him. Trust me, I vow that he is a reliable mechanic, and he has earned my trust. Though our departure has been delayed due to the bad storm, I am determined to make up for lost time. There is no petition or pity for love. Everybody should be considerate of wild animals because they deserve the same life as we do. It is widely agreed that the current government policy on the wildlife management needs reform. Some parents prefer to tell their children wildlife, specifically at a young age. I have a terrible fear of big animals because I was bitten by one of them when I was younger. I will try to brave and set aside my fear of big animals. I don't exhibit the same philosophy as my mom on the preservation of wild animals. Overall, I think that the notion of activism is good and useful. She was not wealthy by any means, but she readily donated the lion's share of her income to the cause. He had no sympathy for the treatment of animals and was formally against animal welfare. Beauty is but skin deep. As for your question, I will gather information, respond to you later. I wouldn't say that my ex-boyfriend was a bad guy, but he could come across that way. I aced my math test for the second time this year, but much to my despair, I failed my English test for the second time as well. I am going out to an informal dinner in the evening with my family for Father's Day. When I'm taking someone out to dinner, it is embarrassing to attract negative attention. When I was an adolescent, my father used to frequently give me advice. I ran out of shampoo this morning, so when I shower without it, my hair would not stay flat. I ordered shampoo and conditioner at the store and asked the clerk to expedite the shipping. If any of you ask me questions, I shall promptly answer them. Do as I say, not as I do. I may not be able to take the test if it crashes with something I had planned later tonight. You should anticipate that Spanish is going to be hard to learn from the onset. After my dad finally got a decent job, he told my family, "Hang in there, we are on the home stretch now." I had to summon all the courage I had to quit my job. My whole family was unanimously opposed to my idea of traveling the world. I've got itchy feet again. I think I want to teach English Japan this time. Slowly, I've come to realize that all life is sacred and precious and shouldn't be wasted. You can't reach your full potential unless you broaden your view of life. I derive a lot of thought from Albert Einstein, who said life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. You get what you pay for. After considerable thought, I called off the wedding because I wasn't in love with my boyfriend anymore. She is devoted to her job and keeps us on track. It is beyond me why she called off the wedding all of a sudden. It sounds like a splendid idea, but I'd like to sleep on it before I make my final decision. I was a black sheep of the family and would never hold up to the strict standard my parents had. I feel a sense of responsibility to live an exemplary life by not smoking or drinking alcohol. I had to make up a story about why I wasn't married yet because my grandmother always nagged me about not being married. I do not want to get married just yet because it will interfere with my research. I'd love to get together with you, but I have an urgent project to finish at my laboratory. Money can buy happiness. I just finished doing a real estate appraisal on a house. I have found that these days companies that implement innovative approach have succeeded reasonably well. If you are honest, hardworking, motivated, and trustworthy, then good things will happen to you sooner or later. I want to be an engineer someday, and I know that it is customary to understand many science subjects to get into engineering school. Early exposure to mathematics and music prefer children to be less stressful in school. This new system has a steep learning curve in comparison to the old one. I studied hard and got a decent score on the Scholastic Aptitude Test. Early admission is a college admission plan offered to spirit students. I still haven't decided what area I want to study in, as there is no shortage of options. Truth needs not many words. I want to own a giraffe, and then I have one companion for years to come. John excitedly boasts about how he had never got any speeding ticket. If you break the non-disclosure agreement, you will be in trouble. In fact, numerous research have confirmed that living with pet provide certain benefit. According to Liz and Paul, pet owners are more active and optimistic than those without pet. If you ever have a negative thought about yourself and degrade yourself, you will probably have low self-esteem. Giraffes are the tallest animal on earth and have long, slender necks. Many people think that the fattest animal on land is the giraffe, but a prominent research has proved it to be wrong. Tom leaped up and screamed that there was a big snake in his room. The nearer the church, the further from God. Smoking is the preventable cause of death in the world. Gambling is another form of addiction that can lead to social and behavioral problems. Substance abuse refers to harmful use of any substance, including alcohol and drugs, for mood-altering purposes. Smoking damages your lungs, particularly if you smoke excessively. I vowed that I'm going to quit smoking today. After I quit smoking, I became thinner by the day. According to a statistic in the newspaper, there are more obese people than starving people in the world. When you sign up this program, you are actually joining a global movement to end world hunger. According to a source, there was a country that condemned a company for offering dog food to feed orphans in their country. Learn to work before you learn. Officially, Canada is an English and French-speaking country, as many immigrants that settled there were from France. Canada is the second largest country in the world and borders the United States. Researchers at the University of Waterloo prove that apologizing to police officers when pulled over for speeding can get you reduced fine. One needs to say the pledge of allegiance is to instill patriotism in the general public. John F. Kennedy once said, "And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country." Mark Twain also said, patriotism is supporting your country all the time, and your government when it deserves it. Geographically, England is located the mid-latitude. The Beatles were the most popular band in the world because their music was easy to listen to. Specialized agents like the 007 movies are recruited by the English government. From 100 to 199. Life is half spent before we know what it is. When you fail to keep your promise, it's like telling the other person that you don't value him or her that much. The difference between a promise and a commitment is that one is a word and the other one is an action. I have come to the conclusion that we might be better off if we practice without the coach. I will have an opportunity to present my story to a vast audience. Journalists should always strive for accuracy. They should skip skepticism altogether and follow the concise rule that all story must be confirmed by two reliable sources. I felt humiliated by my coach's ridiculous negative comment about my performance. Even though my lawyer says I have ground to sue the court, I have no intention of doing so. To tell the truth, I have let my parents down many times, so I don't want to make a big deal of this incident. Do not back him into a corner. The reason why I gave her red card was that there was some serious misconduct on her part. Once you get a red card, you will be ejected from the game immediately. When a referee thinks you have committed serious foul, you will be suspended for the next game. I had an argument with the referee because I didn't think I deserved a red card for my tackle. Speaking of unfair treatment, discrimination still exists today. Another form of unfair treatment is ritual hazing or bullying at the workplace. She is not only my best friend but also my biggest rival in school. Friendship is a kind of relationship where people have a mutual affection toward each other. I was under the illusion that John and I were close friends, but when I asked him to help me move, he declined to do so. Experience is the best teacher. I'm not the one to exaggerate, but you do know that firefighting is one of the most dangerous jobs, right? Being a firefighter is a tough job. However, the process people are put through to become one is far more challenging. For me, the most satisfying jobs are the ones that involve caring for and protecting others. My girlfriend told me that I should go to another country to get out of my comfort zone. Many backpackers have always thought India had 50 hotel rooms with dirt everywhere. Before my trip to India, I heard many warnings about how inconvenient everything would be. Even before I got this restaurant job, I had a strong interest in interior design that I could trace back to my youth. The responsibility of the interior designer definitely go beyond just design. Learning your own interior design form is an exhausting task. It takes two to make a color. One day, while I was fishing, I hooked a duffel bag filled with cash and a gun inside. I had to restrain myself from keeping the money because, as you know, I have been out of a job for 9 months. Well, the truth of the matter is that I have no clue as to what is going to happen to the money. What is going to happen to the money? I'm going to attend a broadcast conference to learn about Asia rapidly growing broadcast market. They didn't mention anything about the dress code, but I will go in business casual attire. I buy expensive designer clothes because the quality is then a cheaper clothes and they don't shrink when you wash them. I bought a video camera last week and it is one of the top models on the market today. A 360 camera is a camcorder whose imaging system uses 3 separate CCD sensors. Although 360 camera is more expensive, it is hard to imitate its reliability. Send a boy to travel that you love the best. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of a third copy of chromosome 21. Every 1 in every 691 babies in the United States is born with Down syndrome. Those with Down syndrome nearly always have physical and intellectual disability. A ship captain is a licensed sailor who commands an entire sea vessel. A ship captain is responsible for ship safe and efficient operation. A ship captains work on their particular vessel from the time they assume command until they are relieved of their command. Car sickness is caused by your body not being able to process multiple sensory input at the same time. While it may be impossible to prevent car sickness, there are ways to lessen the severity of the symptom. Some other tips include sitting in the front seat of the car as sitting in the rear seat blocks the view of the road. Think today and speak tomorrow. Severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, was a respiratory disease that first impacted people in parts of Asia in 2002. SARS caused several kinds of symptoms. Discovery of SARS virus may lead to new ways to treat other diseases such as avian or bird flu and influenza. Getting a PhD degree is a major commitment, but it is a springboard for many job opportunities as well. I have saved up some money and will seek out scholarship more aggressive than I did as an undergraduate. I want to be a professor someday, and many universities require faculty members to have a PhD. I would like to give my girlfriend a pearl necklace for her birthday to show my utmost love for her. I'd like to buy a new car for my parents because their car is really beat up and all. If I have any money left after all this, I would like to build a house with a stony ocean view between a rock and a hard place. After his parents got divorced, he has become a bit of a rebel. He doesn't have to come up with life goals, but he can postpone thinking about the near future. I wish I could solve his problem, but I don't have adequate resources to do it effectively. I don't want to waste my precious time going to school and studying. I'd rather spend my time figuring out what I want and how to chase that dream. After thinking about where I am going and what my life will be in the future, I have concluded that a good education is vital. One of the key responsibilities of a school principal is to oversee all aspects of running a school. Most school administrators spend a big portion of their time dealing with student discipline. I feel sorry for these kids because he doesn't have a role model to set him on the right path. Don't judge a book by its cover. After a thorough examination of my qualification, I was given citizenship as part of a program called Citizenship for a Promised Athlete. Many countries with flexible citizenship rules are very happy to issue passports to Olympic hopefuls. Citizenship for Promised Athlete is a little strange these days. When you play a tough opponent, it is important to be ready mentally and intellectually. This is not the time to be critical and harsh for your shortcoming or error. The secret to this is to visualize and memorize these plays so they will happen automatically when you play. Dietary supplements can be contaminated or may include ingredients that are banned under the drug testing policy. The NCAA bans caffeine because it is found to be a performance enhancer. The NCCA does recognize that some banned substances are needed for legitimate medical purposes. What can go wrong will go wrong. Tennis is an awesome way to stay in shape and have fun. There are varied opinions on this matter, but my humble idea is that the best age to start playing tennis is 6 or 7 years old. Injuries in tennis are really rare, but if you are not careful, you can always get hurt. In basketball game, there are 5 players assigned to each team. In the basketball score system, a team scores 1 point for each free throw made. The winner of the basketball game is always the team that gets the most ball through the hook. I started skateboarding with my neighbor boy when I was 7 years old. The exercise benefits of skateboarding are incredible. When you first learn to skate, you will fall down a lot, so it is wise to get good safety equipment. Shortcuts make long friends. There is evidence that suggests that soccer was played in China in the 2nd century BC. Soccer is known as football everywhere else besides the United and Canada. The most common soccer-related injuries are sprain and strain around the knee and ankle. My days have become monotonous, and I'm looking for a part-time job teaching English in the New York area. A substitute teacher must be a college graduate with good oral and written proficiency in English. There are usually 2 pay levels for substitute teacher. Your pay status is determined by whether you have a teaching credential or not. Business has been slow these days. In order not to drain all my savings, I needed to lay everyone off for a short period of time. My father used to say that buying a large house only leads to massive mortgage and huge utility bill. I know that borrowing the money is the common way of funding a small business. But what if it doesn't work out? 100 to 299. There is no cure for birth and death, save to enjoy the interval. I don't want to move to another state because I won't be able to see my best friend anymore. But I guess I don't have no choice. It is no secret that I don't like cold weather at all, and I think it's horrible. When I leave Los Angeles, I will desperately miss the warm weather and beautiful sunset. I was born and raised in Boston, so I'm excited to see my parents' house again. Boston is a very well-educated area with many prestigious universities, and all are just a stone throw away from each other. Boston will give you one of the most striking displays of nature when the leaves change color. I have been searching for this sort of job for a long time, and it is challenging to decide what I want to pursue in my professional career. I believe that the first impression is important because it shapes what others think of you. Don't worry too much about though, because in most situations, people understand that there is a learning curve. A right purse makes a heavy heart. Bird watching is an activity that is based on the observation of a bird in the wild. I don't know exactly how many species of bird have been discovered so far. Birds are important to the ecosystem because they disperse seed and recycle nutrients back into the earth. The doctor conducted a test to determine whether I had heart disease because I was respiring with difficulty. Co-payment and partial payment are due and will be collected on the day of your appointment. Our body consists of about 65% of water, so it is important to drink at least 2 liters water a day. It is important that we conserve drink of water because even though 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water, only 2.5 is fresh water we can drink. The world water crisis represents one of the major issues facing the world today. There is no pleasure without the pain. There is old saying that prevention is better than a cure. Due to the surge of disease that could easily be prevented, most doctors agree that it makes sense to live a healthy lifestyle by incorporating simple things into everyday life. Washing your hands with soap and water is the simplest and the most common way to protect yourself from disease. CDC stands for Center for Disease Control and Prevention and is a federal agency dedicated to public health. Reporting of communicable disease is crucial for the planning and evaluation of disease prevention. Failing to report a communicable disease is misdemeanor crime. A certified public accountant or CPA is an accountant that prepares and verifies financial documents for business and individual. I graduated from college with my degree in accounting last 2 years ago. Almost 2 years ago. As a matter of fact, I have been working at this CPA firm since June of last year, but I don't really like the people at this company. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. One day, I filled up my car with gas and went to the gas station attendant to get my change. I found that one of the lottery tickets was a winner. It made me very happy at the moment, but I soon remembered that most lottery ticket winner went bankrupt very quickly. I was raised by my grandma because both of my parents died in a car accident. I just found that she left me a substantial money over the $5 million. I have received a lot of questions on what I'm going to do with my inheritance. One day my ex-boyfriend called me out of blue and asked me to loan him some money. He was buying some biotech stock that he thought would do well. After we sold our stock and we ended up getting back together and continue our relationship. First impressions are most lasting. He is a self-made millionaire, locally known as Big Santa. He doesn't like springtime because it is when his allergies are the worst. When people who have pollen allergy inhale pollen, they get allergic reaction. After many miscarriages, they finally had a beautiful baby girl. They are having a tough time controlling their daughter, especially when she drew tantrum. Her grandma is the only person who can handle the little girl. I am a happily married woman and have a husband whom I love dearly. My father-in-law died of a heart attack at a young age, and I cite this as a reason why I am worried about my husband's health. I think I am very talented in painting, and I would want my daughter to be a painter like me when she grows up. My eyes are bigger than my stomach. I got a job offer this morning, but my friend said I should negotiate my salary. I don't know what is wrong with this brand new battery. Since I hate commuting, I want to move close to my office. The most rewarding part of my job is training new employees on how to do the maintenance job here. There are two main types of auto battery: the older and more common version wet battery and maintenance-free battery. Maintenance-free battery are wet battery that have sealed container filled with sufficient distilled water to last the full service life of the battery. I have worked in this new place for a week, and I have learned so many things in just a few days. I know it may sound weird, but sometimes I wake up earlier than my alarm because I look forward to going to work. I found nothing wrong with her battery. Known as so blind, so who won't see. I think I got a virus on my phone because it runs relatively slow when I open a picture or playing music. Having a virus on your smartphone is a sign of danger for a number of reasons. Thankfully, there are a number of user-friendly antivirus programs that can scan your phone for viruses. In my first year of college, I declared computer science as my major, and I took a C language class. Computers helps you work faster and more effectively, so it is important to use them for work efficiently. It doesn't matter what field you are in or what your career is. He is very smart, but he turned off so many people with his negative attitude. People who boast about how smart they are don't realize how annoying it actually is. One good thing about him is that he is candid and committed to his job. You cannot eat the cake and have it. I'm freaking out because I'm in my early 40s and I'm going bored. Some of my friends suggested that I should shave my head, but I'm entirely convinced yet. I know that my situation is not going to get any better, and I guess I have to accept this as a reality. My son is going to marry a girl from a foreign country who is staying here illegally. He declared that she would bring her whole family of 12 to the US as soon as they get married. I am totally confused and lost and don't know what is going on anymore. My wife died of cancer about 8 months ago, and I'm still dealing with the pain of her loss. My doctor prescribed me antidepressants, but I don't feel any better after taking them. I'm covered under the Social Security Survival Insurance Program, so I'm entitled to 100% of my wife benefits. A big beginning makes a good ending. I got my driver license yesterday. It's just starting to sink in. While the steering wheel was shaking a bit, the engine started perfectly and we accelerated quickly. The car stopped, but I was too scared to get out of my car because I had run into a pedestrian. Last night, I had a very frightening dream about being bitten by a big dog. She must have gotten her driver's license from a department store or something. She was frightened and was shivering for fear of what might happen next. I have to face up to the blame because I was the one that forced her to drive today. It looked to me like he was not hurt badly because he refused medical treatment. We became argumentative over what went wrong during the day. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Rock climbing is the only hobby I enjoy because it is fun but very challenging for my body and mind. To fully enjoy the rock climbing experience, you need to master the fundamental rock climbing. It goes without saying that you should have proper equipment when rock climbing. I still think that rock climbing is the most dangerous sport in the world. It is true that people who seek thrill and adventure do rock climbing. Nevertheless, if you keep the safety rule in mind, you can enjoy this sport safely. My wife used to be very opposed to this idea of rock climbing. One day, I showed my wife a video clip of a rope made of special material holding 1,000 pounds. Rock climbing used to be considered an extreme and dangerous sport, but however, it is now becoming mainstream. From 300 to 389. Necessary is the mother of invention. I am a cashier responsible for receiving payment for goods that are sold at the local retail store. My job is a diverse blend among customer service, product knowledge, and the selling of goods. Due to the sluggish economy, there is a sentiment in the world that in order to survive, one must secure a secondary job or have another income to supplement their own. Truck driver or trucker provide an essential service by transporting manufactured goods and raw material over land. Truckers are limited to 11 cumulative hours of driving in a 40-hour period due to injury and destruction of property caused by the fatigue. The thing that bothers me the most about being a trucker is the chunk of time I'm from away my family and friends. I have contemplating becoming a garbage truck driver because I do not like the idea of a corporate style job. It is imperative that we should recycle because recycling helps us convert an immense amount of trash such as glass and plastic bottle into new items for use. Garbage is sent to the landfill area, and unless we alter the ways that we consume and discard products, we will exhaust our landfill space sooner or later. No one speaks on money. I am writing this to you in attempt to compliment your teaching style and to say how much I appreciate your compassion for your students. Some people say it's absurd, but I would argue that learning in a co-education classroom has its benefit for both gender. I like working with preschooler, and though they may act a bit childish and crazy, I cherish every moment with them. On occasion, my boyfriend and I go to the movies, and we are constantly arguing about what movie to watch. Flying has always captivated me, so I want to go to the Air Force Academy and then afterwards to become a commercial airline or a private charter airplane pilot. The only barrier to this is a capable Air Force Academy candidate needs to be able to do at least 100 push-ups. After I finished my final high school exam, I was so happy that I was suddenly inspired to do some chores. Though I can see the social virtue of co-ed school versus single-sex school, I wonder if it'd be easier to focus on academy if we weren't distracted by male students. I had always dreamed of being a review movie star, and I coveted an opportunity to become one. Better a live cover than a dead hero. I'm a software engineer who specializes in video game development, and the catalyst of which was my obvious love for video game. As video game designer, we endeavor to find new ideas that put an emphasis on fun and entertainment value. At times, I suffer from severe migraine headache due to intense strain, and I feel emptiness inside when I unable to play video game. I'm a customer service representative working in a call center environment, and my duty includes answering customer questions regarding our game product. It is open to debate, but I'm more of a deliberate snacker rather than a large meal big eater. Many prepared snacks are loaded with sugar and salt, which may lead to diabetes or and even a stroke. These days, I have been getting many recruiting phone calls from headhunters trying to match me with companies in the area. I had an interview with the director of the company, and he offered me a management position there. I have really enjoyed working here, and I will continue to maintain close relationship with people here in this company. Love me, love my dog. I met my high school sweetheart in my algebra class, and even after all these years, she is still beautiful and as elegant as ever. I don't know why it seems like women take forever to buy anything. Well, I guess you can't fault my fiancé for wanting to select the perfect wedding ring, because this is obviously a very special occasion. He is my ideal man in every aspect, and is both brilliant and kind-hearted. A buddy of mine recommended this jewelry store to me, and they have a broad selection of jewelry and wedding ring. The service was magnificent, and I must commend the highly trained sales staff on their knowledge of their inventory. It is wedding season. As you can see, we are busy celebrating marital bliss every minute of the day. I can't stop praising these two on how they both look. I have been going out with a guy, and though he is wonderful, he is reluctant to propose to me. One cannot see the wood for the tree. I like learning about the animals, hence I read books about them. They say that dogs reside in all regions except Antarctica, where it is too cold for them to live. I also learned that, contrary to popular misconception, sheep are extremely intelligent animals, capable of recognizing other sheep in their flock, as well as the humans that feed and protect them. John performed at a children's piano contest in England this year, playing a song he had composed himself. When John was 4 years old, his father put the piano in the living room, and it was evident from the start that he loved playing it. I learned the piano so much faster than other kids because I had developed the familiarity with the layout of the piano keys. I think that popcorn is a fantastic snack, and I try to eat it whenever I'm in a theater watching a movie or a play. Corn is used to make a lot of food that we can, such as cereal and cornmeal, but it is also being cultivated to be an alternative fuel for vehicles such as car and truck. There has been concern that rising gas price would have a major impact on the corn farming sector over the next decade. Everything that goes up must come down. Last weekend, I visited my mom, who is in the hospital, and I caught a glimpse of how fragile life can be. My mom is a nurse, and so I learned firsthand that they have an impact on all sick people around them in society. When you have red-green color blindness, you have the permanent inability to distinguish between color red and green. A friend of mine moved into a small apartment building last month and invited us to come to a housewarming party last Saturday. There was a bunch of food at the party, including some flour dumpling that her mother had generously cooked for us. Her apartment has 2 bedrooms and is on the ground floor with an outstanding view of a lake. I don't know what happened to the front door light, but when I came by this morning, it had broken off the plaster and was sitting on the ground. The front door lights were directly powered from the main power outlet, and after I plugged it in, it instantly illuminated the whole front porch. I was distracted to install the solar power panel to the roof and use solar energy to power the light. I am not used soon lost. The coin toss is done by referee along with some delegate from the each team. When you watch many soccer game, it is noticeable that a number of good referees are strict in the first few minutes of the game. They think that they have a secret weapon they can use against us, but we've got it figured out. Right before the match, I got a phone call saying that my son was in a car accident where someone was driving under the influence of alcohol. When someone tried to drive after they drink, it should be considered attempted murder. I know that there is a breathalyzer circuit that can added onto the vehicle that require driver to breathe into the tube. In order to get a college scholarship, we need to win this game against a very tough opponent. While I don't want to dismiss a compliment or the talent of other team, we have a secret weapon that I'm sure will help us win. I can't reveal what our secret is, but I can promise you that it is a sight that you will never forget, and your eyes are so dazzled that you can't open them. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? My father gave me this advice about 20 years ago and asked me to preserve the tradition of good customer service and component auto care. I want my daughter to be my successor, but she wants to become a special education teacher that works with underprivileged children. She was very standoffish when I asked her if she wanted to take over my business, but eventually she agreed to try the job out for a month to see if she would like it. He is good He's good at explaining concept, and his explanation are usually devoid of unnecessary words, especially when talking about automobile component modification. I learned about the braking system and understood how pushing down on the brake pedal transmit the energy from my foot to slow down a car to a stop. The car converted the force from my foot and transmit it to the braking system through an intricate fluid system called a hydraulic brake system. So this is my first spring break of college, and was going to do some crazy stuff with my friends. My father talking me into working for him, but I want to be a good daughter, and I will work for next week with a mixture of emotions. What if I someone charming that likes to fix things? 그다음에 by other faults, wise men corrected their own. On my birthday, my father bought a wooden building block set for me, and we spent many hours constructing building. I like playing with construction toys because I can put together block and pretend there are building, table, and other sophisticated structure. People say that children that play with building block will become more creative and focused. So hopefully my family see that as an incentive to buy me more construction toys. I would like my son to be a doctor or computer engineering instead on carpenter like his father. He has shown a lot interest in building block, and the things that he has built are fairly intricate. I read an article saying that private hobby and interested in making things can lead people to work in factories. I agree with my wife in that education is vital, and you need to have a minimum of 4 years bachelor degree to get a decent job. According to a new report, more and more employer demand bachelor degrees from job applicant. He is good at making things, especially building things, which make me think that he has an intelligent and aptitude for architecture. 100 to 499. The bigger they are, the harder they fall. My favorite thing to do when it rains is to crawl into bed while sipping some tea and listen to the rain as it drops on the roof. Rainy days are excellent for listening to classical music in my room because rain soothes me and allows me to really feel an emotional point of music. Rain gives us fresh water and in addition helps fill brooks and stream and reservoir to transport water to larger body of water like lake and reservoir. They say that it will rain sometime today, and by the look of those dark clouds on the mountain ridge, it might be in the not too distant future. But future weather forecasts are lamentably deficient because it is hard to identify incoming weather pattern. This is why even a simple windstorm or change of pressure system could make their long-range prediction significantly less accurate than short-term prediction. I like watching snow fall only inside behind a window where it's warm and dry. I don't like to drive on snowy road because it is inherently slippery and dangerous. Not to mention your tire lose your grip very easily on the ice. But if you have to drive on snowy road, be careful that there is not any frost on your windshield and allow for at least 3 times more space than usual between yourself and the car in front of you. A large fire often comes from small spark. I have an issue with my roommate, and I need your perspective and unbiased advice on the matter. I know everyone has a different standard of cleanliness, so I suggest that you both work harder to keep your surrounding clean. It is like he is a monster, and we are on the same wavelength on about almost everything except now. I dread coming home because of the mess that he has left. TV producers are indispensable as they have a number of operation jobs outside of picking out actor and prove the script and location to shoot. While TV producer may be exciting and well-compensated job, your job security is directly tied to the profit that your show makes. The minimum requirement for TV producer is to have achieved a bachelor degree in either broadcasting or communication. My husband resigned from his company last Monday to fulfill a long life dream of opening up a small authentic Japanese restaurant. Considering all the factors, it is terrifying to start a new enterprise when it is unclear where revenue is going to come from. My husband said that he only lives life once, and even though it was risky, he needed to trust his instinct and go for this chance before the opportunity disappears. Today comes only once and never again return. There is a robbery in progress, and though I feel pure terror, I need to stay calm and comply with all the robber demand. I observed the robber. I noticed that he was wearing a black flute and a mask that covered his face. I'm glad that I remembered inserting the baked money that we had prepared ahead of time for this situation. I was disguised as I'm robber when I burst into the bank and started causing chaos. The girl was doing super well and following the emergency procedure and was not startled by the situation. While I'm an amateur actor, I deceived everyone in the room and was able to depict what a real robbery would look like. I didn't expect this strange situation to happen this morning, considering I arrived to work at this branch last week. I don't know what constitutes a medical prognosis of a panic attack, but I felt like I was suffocating and choking, and I need to take deep breaths to keep from fainting. This ordeal has confounded my medical condition, plus it had me on the verge of the breakdown and rendered me useless. Speak kind word, and you will hear kind answer. There used to be an endless amount of girls who were irritated by me because I wore fancy clothes and was praised for being pretty. When I was younger, people would say that pretty girls were dumb, and though I was very smart, I didn't crave extra attention. Though I could never rank my friend in any order, my bridesmaids are composed of my best friend that have made all the arrangement for me. My friend was known for her innocent beauty and was unanimously voted the housecoming queen of our school. My other friend's family is very wealthy and has a lot of jewelry because her father owned a jewelry store that is located next to a high-end furniture store. My father has labored and sacrificed so much for his family, and as a modest man, he built himself a legacy that could be proud to pass on to their children. I'm currently studying a jewelry design at the local university, and I want to own a jewelry design company that makes jewels born out of innovation and creativity. Diamonds are the most famed and favored gems in the world, and they are known for their rarity and value. Best fishes smell when they are 3 days old. I have been working last 13 years as a newsletter for XYZ Network, and they asked me if I would like to extend my contract with them. Broadcast news scripts are different than those of movie because news events need to be condensed into short story where facts outstand opinion. Since viewers are not reading the script, it is important to have a polished writing style that will deliver specific key point to the audience without stray from words and phrases that could have bad connotation to the viewer. Here we are in front of the urban residence of famous movie star, known for the brooding character actor in many police action movies. Police found many capsules containing cocaine in his pocket and a kilo of marijuana in a laundry bag in the trunk of his compact car. His fame feel betrayed and are grieving as this incident leave an ugly blemish on the actor, who beloved for his lodging role as a stern but brilliant police officer. Since I work here part-time, the company is required to give me job-based health insurance or any paid holiday. Insurance companies have a monopoly when it comes to offering coverage for healthcare. I have been suffering from chronic pneumonia, and even though I haven't taken a series of medication, I feel like a share of a person I used to be. No one can live on beauty, but they can die for it. I work for the president of the company as an executive assistant, being his liaison in joint project with employee management and marketing. There has been a flurry of news articles on the web about this hacking incident, and we are collecting information to clarify our position in this issue. This temptation is to dismiss it as a minor incident, but this breach is published in the paper. this could significantly impact the stock price. Our company file server were hacked, and some other folder containing customer information and other sensitive data were illegally transferred out of our network. At 2 o'clock this morning, our server documented some suspicious activity as it was mirroring our data for our backup server. We have isolated this problem, and we would looking to recover what information we can, though it is my gut feeling that we'll grab any relevant information we can and reformat our data. I admit that our computer system have had some critical problem last night, but the sequence of events showed that meaningful customer data were all intact and completely protected. We had altered the authorities, and our cybersecurity team have launched its own investigation, and so our clients don't need to worry about this unfortunate incident anymore. We are working diligently to solve this problem and wouldn't stray away our quest to bring these people to justice. It is good to give advice, and but better to give the remedy. I need to buy a new car as soon as possible because the mileage on my car is close to 300,000 miles, and it is made of pure steel and all scratched and banged up for centuries of hard use. The safety feature in new cars trump those of old cars because the technology have gotten so much better past few years. In many ways, you feel like you have a union with your car because some people draw conclusion to your personality by the kind of car that you drive. I may be in the minority if I say that I believe a 2 or 3 years old vehicle is the best value because every dealership needs to sell a certain quarter of this vehicle a month. By choosing a 2 or 3 old vehicle, you effectively save money on tax and fee since the price is lower. It is said that not all that glitter is gold, and they are also true for car ownership. Many people look at the prospect of buying a new or used car without thinking about the amount of money it sucks from away other necessary needs. I will not proclaim that a new car is better than old car because there are a spectrum of cars that could be beneficial for your day-to-day needs. At this pace, of the buying process, I would recommend that you analyze your personal preference and buy what fit you need. You can lead a horse to the water, but you can make him drink it. I got a couple of days off of work, so I decided to take my adopted son up to our favorite ski resort. I love the feeling of skiing down the hill, and more importantly, I enjoy the feeling of the fresh air on my face and the wind blowing through my hair as I'm zigzagging down the mountain. It made me sad to hear the news that terrorists attacked a popular ski resort in Russia and 3 people perished. I learned how to ski today under the watchful eye of a couple of ski constructors. I learned the basic principle, stopping and going by using controlled movement to speed up and slow down. They say that the number of people injured in skiing accidents has declined over the past few years, but I know some people that had to undergo surgical procedure after bad incident. I work as an adoption social worker where I support family experience unplanned pregnancy and help get the children to an adoption agency and eventually an adopted family. In general, social workers have patience and compassion while leading the birth family through the step to giving their child up for adoption. Almost all adoption social worker needs to have assessment and counseling skill to help foster family make the best decision for the adopted child as they live in their adopted family. Hope without exertion is like a voyage without a ship. I heard that French enjoy their leisurely pursuit, such as working in their garden and playing board game, more than their work. Gustave Eiffel completed his tower as a tribute to the sentimental anniversary of the French Revolution. Napoleon once said, "There are only two forces in the world, the sword and the spirit. In the long run, the sword will always be conquered by the spirit." France is one of the most popular destinations for international students due to the plethora of unique art museums and cultural festivals. There are many excellent university where students can study subjects such as engineering and visual art. The most important thing is the France is known for its equal treatment of them domestic and international students. European Union has 28 members, including France, and is a group of countries that have pledged to work together as a union and not invade each other's territory with military. Every country member pays tax revenue to the European Commission, and they use the money to upgrade the way they live and do business in Europe. Many people has enjoyed the European Union EU because they have benefits. Those people that reside with it. I never did a day's work. It was all fun. I'm sure it is not my destiny to be rich, but if I won the lottery, I would probably buy myself an island in the temperate climate. I think I would generously help my family with money, especially my mom, since she lives alone. Because since I would have no work obligation, I would travel to places like Italy to watch an opera, and then hasten over to Paris to watch street vendor performing pantomime. If I won $1 million lottery ticket today, I would pay my student loan off right away and buy a small cottage located in an apple orchard. It would be a lofty goal, but I would buy a ton of lumber and build my parents' house so that they could live comfortably. I would buy propeller plane and fly around the world solo. If someone gave me $1 million today, I would put it into a high interesting saving account. I have to sacrifice a lot in order to take care of my responsibility as a parent to my children. Having a lot of money would give me more free time to hang out with my friends and family without the obstacle that come from working.